new version of Procreate 5.4, there's some change of layout. So I'm going to walk through with you how to create a stamp. First, just make sure you draw this picture using the black color. And then we go to the wrench and click Add and click Copy Canvas. And then we go to the brush, click plus, create a new set. Let's name this as my brush. And I click the plus, create a new brush. And then we go to shape, edit, and click import, and click paste. And tap with your 2 fingers to invert this picture. And click OK. Then we go to the stroke path. And we can adjust the spacing to the max. And go to the stabilization. Adjust the amount and adjust the stabilization. Then go to the Apple Pencil. Here you can see some of the flowers are not clear, so we need to reduce opacity to 0, and you can see those flowers. And then go to Properties. And you can adjust the maximum size and the minimum size. And you can look at a preview and turn on the preview properties and adjust the size. So this will appear like an icon for your brush. And about this brush, you can change. You can type your name here. And in this new version, you cannot change the title of the brush. So in this new version, you cannot rename the brush name. So here I show you what you can do here. You just press your brush and rename it. So I'm gonna rename this as flower and apply. So here is your stamp. This is done. Let's try it. So we go back to our canvas. Let's create a new layer. And here we can adjust the size of the flower. We want a smaller size. We want a big size. So if you want to adjust the size in the setting, you can go back to your brush and go to Property, and here you can adjust your size. So you find the size you like. This is pretty much of it, and I hope this video is helpful. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.